Here's an update on Skywire, the flagship application of the Skycoin ecosystem. Skywire is a decentralized, net-neutral, and community-driven mesh internet. More importantly, it's fast and resistant to censorship. Skywire consists of a software-defined networking protocol, a blockchain-based payment protocol, and a physical mesh network of hardware nodes known as SkyMiners. It's these SkyMiners that provide the infrastructure and bandwidth to support the Skywire network. With Skywire, individuals can now act as their own ISPs and get paid for their bandwidth and computational storage contributions. And people have been doing just that in Skywire's ongoing testnet. The testnet went live with nearly 5,000 Skywire nodes on day one and is already nearing 10,000 nodes online. The rate at which the Skywire network and community has grown is truly remarkable. A key factor for this rapid growth is that the Skywire network is incentivized. Both official and DIY SkyMiners earn rewards if their nodes have over 75% uptime, with the reward pools being adjusted on a monthly basis. To date, over 370,000 Skycoin have been distributed to the Skywire community as rewards for running their SkyMiners. Even at current market prices, that's over $500,000 in mining rewards alone. Through the tireless efforts of the Skycoin team and community, we have seen the Skywire network grow at an amazing pace. New nodes are popping up and going online around the world on a daily basis, and we want to thank everyone for being a part of the Skycoin ecosystem so far. To give a clearer picture of how important Skywire is to the future of the internet, let's take a look at how the current internet works and what Skywire does differently. Let's say you're living in Los Angeles, and you want to watch this video hosted on one of YouTube's servers in Tokyo. The internet protocols that you're currently using to connect to the server in Tokyo have been the same for the last 30 years. To connect to the server, the IP gives you the destination address and only a rough indication for where the connection needs to be made. By not knowing the exact connection route to the destination, the data packets have to cross through many intermediate routers along the way, with each router deciding the best path according to the cost of forwarding and network requirements. This results in your data packets being passed back and forth between a lot of routers, until eventually reaching the final destination. This is clearly not very efficient. That's where Skywire's new software-defined networking protocol comes in. Let's take the same example, except using your own SkyMiner to connect to the Skywire network. When connecting with Tokyo, your SkyMiner will first send a request to Skywire services to look up existing SkyMiner connections. And because Skywire pulls the network intelligence away from hardware and centralizes it into a software controller, it's able to view the whole network. Once the software has planned the optimum routing path to your destination, the connection is made instantly. Not only is Skywire faster than the current internet because you can have more than one network connection to request data, but it also paves the way for simple hardware that individuals can run from their own homes. With more nodes added to the Skywire network daily, the network becomes faster and more resilient over time. And so, after years of development and over 10 months of intensive testing on a network spanning the globe, we are extremely proud to have the Skywire mainnet live for developers. This first iteration features entirely rewritten software and is primarily focused on working as a platform for developers to start building the next generation of distributed apps. Great work has already been done on the UI for Testnet, and we'll soon release a new and intuitive user interface for developers and users to easily interact with the mainnet, where you'll be able to get an overview of bandwidth usage, easily search and connect to any node, and manage an infinite amount of nodes remotely. We'll also be releasing a lot of new features with each iteration of Skywire over the next few months, including an updater for convenient updating of nodes, the Coin Hour Bank, implementing bandwidth monetization that will allow users to earn coin hours through bandwidth sharing, combining the CXO protocol with Skywire for distributed data storage, as well as further hardware and antenna development to build out the wireless meshnet. This first version of Skywire's mainnet represents a huge milestone for Skycoin and for the future of the internet. So stay tuned for additional information and frequent updates from the team. To purchase a SkyMiner and earn rewards while being your own ISP, visit our website at skycoin.net.